Hey, I'm Lowell Brown from Going Social. I've got 3 Instagram business profile tips for you today. So the first tip is your photo. Make sure your profile photo is exactly that, a profile photo of you. Now, I know people like to use their logos because that's kind of a branding thing, but on Instagram, people want to engage with you, a person, not your brand. So make that photo a professional looking photo of yourself, a headshot. A photo with a cat just doesn't really cut it. Well, that might be you. I mean, if you've got a cat business, that's cool. But if it's a business profile, use a headshot, make it look professional. People want to connect with you. They want to see who you are. Now, my second tip is about your business profile. So in your bio, you've got all this space. You want to tell people who you are, what you do, and why they should do business with you or connect with you. Okay. Now, the other thing about your profile is you can include your web address, your email, and your phone number. Those allow people to get in touch with you. And that's a great way for people to connect with you and possibly do business with you. So don't forget those 3 important elements. It's part of your profile of a business account. Use it. Use as much space as you've got there for your profile to create that information and make a connection with potential clients, followers, and fans. Now, my third tip is to ensure that your account is not private. That's right. You want this to be a public account on Instagram. If it's private, there's a gate, there's a wall that's up there, right? And if someone wants to try to follow you, they're not going to see your pictures. They're not going to see information about you. They're not going to know who you are. So make your account private. Allow people to connect with you. Allow them to check out your feed and see what content you're sharing. And that's why they're going to want to follow you. Make your account public. Those are my 3 Instagram business profile tips for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. I've got more tips coming up. Stay tuned. Again, I'm Lowell Brown from Going Social.